guys.
Hi guys. My name's Macy.
Hi, Macy.
And so I have slime.
You have slime?
Yeah.
What are these?
Slime.
Yeah, it's more like a different slime. We got the DIY slime with a slime case, and it has a 6 slime powders with confetti and glitter. Plus, it has 3 surprise figurines and tool stickers and 3 slime shaker. I think on this one it's like you can just like in here we have to mix it inside the shaker, and then next thing we're gonna do is like shake it, and 3 is like we'll see what we're gonna get inside. So probably could be a mermaid, a star, or a cat, or a unicorn, whatever we get. And this one is a Nickelodeon GAK. I haven't heard of it, but we just saw it on the stores that we might try to open it, and then we'll see what we can do on this. But it says here that you can stretch it and you can bubble it. You can't see it in it, but I saw that you can bubble, like make it bubble out of it, and you can fart it or fart it, like making sound if you're squeezing it.
Are you ready, Macy?
You want to start?
Yes.
Yes.
There's one green and I want pink.
You want the green and then you want the pink?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna start.
How are you, Macy?
Good.
Are you good?
Yes.
Are you excited? Can you show them how excited you are?
Open.
Okay.
Like
We got 1, 2, 3 shakers.
What color?
Can you tell us what the color of this, mate? What the color of this one?
the purple.
And this one?
No, pink.
And this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. And can you count how many are they?
1, 2, 3. Get this.
I really like pink.
In here you got 3 containers, and you put the slime in there. You're gonna shake it, and we got the instruction box, like how to start.
Oh, I have it.
And we have these the slime powder. We got oh no,
Oopsie.
oopsie. We have 6 packets of slime and 4 of glitters and confetti. I think this one is a confetti. And we got 3 surprise figure. It's not surprise anymore because you already saw what you are getting. So what we got here is in here. What's this one? It's a cat. And this one is
Poop poop.
this is a king poop. And what are you holding there? Can you show it to them?
King corn.
Unicorn.
Is it a unicorn? It's more like a cat with a horn on their forehead. Oh no, it's a dog. Looks like a dog with a horn.
Okay.
That's really sweet.
And we got the
Mix.
a stirrer to mix it. And what we have here? The last one we have is stickers. We got stickers. I think we can put it on the container
Made that.
so that we can like we're gonna decorate the containers Okay, now we're gonna start to make our own slime. Do you want to start first, mate?
Yes.
So, this container?
Yes. I want to hold it.
You want to hold it? But we need to open it first.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, what color of slime do you want?
What this one?
You want the pink?
Yeah.
It's more like a
What?
light pink. And then this one is a darker pink.
Mommy, what's... And we can mix this.
And then we're gonna mix. Now we put the powder first, and then you can add some glitter or confetti.
What do you want?
So which one do you want to add, mate? What's this?
I knew it.
And now we're gonna put some water.
Enough?
You can put the water up to the gauge. And now we're gonna close the lid.
Okay.
And we're gonna shake it.
Shake it.
Shake, shake, shake. And the next thing we're gonna do is like opening the lid.
Open. Yeah.
And you have to wait for 5 minutes.
Oh.
So you still have to wait 5 minutes, mate. Okay. While we're waiting, we can make another one. So
Choose
you
one.
choose.
What color is the next one?
This one.
Blue.
On the yellow cup.
Yes. Let's go. It's my home.
What are you singing? Do you want to add some glitter or confetti? Or what do you want? And now we're gonna add some water.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. And shake. I want
Shake.
shake.
Okay, you shake, eh?
Turn to shade.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So fish. Now we're gonna open it. And we're gonna wait for another 5 minutes for this one.
They lock.
What are you doing?
They open it.
This one?
I want to open.
No, I'll open it. Not too much. That should be enough. Enough. Give me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 14. So finish.
More.
Mama, do this, all these. So
More.
finish.
More.
So finish.
No, more.
1, So baby.
For the first one that we did with the pink, and it's a
Wow. What size?
what's inside?
Our cousin is Kelly.
Oh, that's mushy.
Oh!
Get the unicorn.
Hey, where's the green corn? Where's the green corn, David?
Look at your hands. You got glitter all over your hands.
Really?
Just stretch it. Stretch.
It's like a snake. It's like a snake. Like a snake. It's like a snake.
It's like a snake.
No, it's just a snake.
Look at Minty. Look at it.
Hi.
Careful.
Scary. Oh! I want it. Daddy.
Look at Daddy.
Look at this, mate.
Look at this, Daddy.
I'm making a thrill.
We just try.
Look,
I'm making the pizza.
you're making a pizza. Look, mate, I got a tongue.
No. I don't have.
Ah, don't eat it. This time I'm adding more water because the first three that we did is like more like a not like really soft slime, more like a clay. Oh no, you got it on your hair. Careful, eh?
Yellow.
I made the pizza.
This one's much better than those two. I don't know why, but it's more like a...
Daddy, you this? Daddy, you! Together, Daddy and Macy.
Together, Daddy and Maisie, okay. What are we making? What are we making?
Pizza.
Pizza. Right, I'm gonna make a pizza. This one got some heart and stars, confetti. I prefer the confetti than those glitters, because those glitters they can get on your hands, like this one. This one's
Like
glitter.
Macy's. Show them, Macy.
Show them.
Show them.
Yeah.
You stretch it. And sparkly hands. Show it to them.
Oh no, you got sparkly head.
Look, mate, I got a donut.
I have the donut.
No, it's not a donut. It's a pizza. You said it's a pizza.
It's a pizza.
I prefer this one than this two. Guess this one is like, see how it's stretched fast.
Oh, let's go.
This one, and it's kind of mushy.
Mushy?
Then this three, I think it's like this one's much okay than if you put water, because see it's sticking on my hands. It's more like a glue now than a slime. I thought adding up water is like much better. Look, babes, this is a fail. An epic fail. Look.
Oh, great.
No.
Look, it's a disaster. It's ruined. Here, wipe it on my hand. You wipe it on my hand. Here, on my back. Here. Here. Very sticky. I don't think you can play with this. What? Okay, we can open that. Sorry about that, guys, because the last slime that we did is like, it's a disaster. It's really hard to get rid of our heads, even with water. Okay, now we're gonna open the next one. And you choose one of them. You choose. I want the blue one. I want to open it. Oh, we're gonna open this one first, okay? We're gonna open this, and this one is a glow in the dark. So we'll see how it glows when we turn off all the lights later, okay? Okay, we're gonna open the green one because she likes the green. Open first. And this is the GAK. It's more like a gelatin.
I want to do jelly.
And then they said that you can
So I want to switch.
squish it. Stretch it. We stretch it.
You stretch it with
Stretch.
together with that.
Stretch. And then we're gonna roll it back again. And then the next one we're gonna, you dropped it. It says here we can blow a bubble.
With a bubble.
We'll use a straw. I'll do it first. I'll show you what will happen, okay? Pick a straw and then you blow. Oh! Again. You pop the balloon. Go. Go. More. You can do it. There you go. You pop it. Ooh. And I think you can burn it. I think.
Do you want to do it?
I don't know if you can hear it, but wait. You can hear the squish it, and then you can blow it. Go.
Big blow.
Go.
More.
And I'll open the blue one. So we open the 3 GAK that we have. And I think you can bounce it as well. I don't think you can do it on the other side. Try. Can you do it?
More blow.
More.
Oh my god, I can't.
I'll do it again. Give it to me. I think you can stretch this as much as you want. Now we're gonna do the last part. We're gonna turn off all the lights to see how it glows. Okay. Unfortunately, guys,
we
tried it to show it in the camera if it's glowing or not, but yeah, we can see it glows, but it doesn't show in the camera. I don't know what we did wrong, or probably it's not that bright to show it in the video, but it does glow. Actually, it really does glow. Which slime do you like? This tree or this tree? Do you like this? Then this?
Yes.
This one you can't blow a bubble out of this. You can't blow a bubble.
How about you, Daddy?
I like this one. The GAK.
No, you like.
I like the GAK. And now I don't like it. I already told them that I like the GAK.
Daddy likes the GAK.
Yeah, I like the GAK because you can bounce it, you can stretch it, like really stretch like that, and you can blow a bubble a little bit, and yeah, it does glow. But sorry guys, I can't show it to you.
How about you, Macy? What do you like?
I want the pink.
The pink one and the
How about you guys? Which one do you prefer? Do you like the normal slime, like the one you can mix, or you can make your own, or do you like the GAK? Can you please comment down below and just tell us what do you want us to do next time? Alright, so say goodbye now, Mace.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
Don't forget the thumbs up, guys, and ring the bell in the bottom so that you'll be updated on the videos that we're gonna post soon. Alright? Click the circle, guys. Click the circle to subscribe.
Bye. Bye. Bye.